I think what I have tried to cover in this is, use my experience on the sell side and being here in a large fund called Land. And in the last 1.5 years of managing small sums of money, $300 million in my own venture backers. And how construction of portfolio management can differ, what are the things which we need to keep an eye on very quickly, and I am very sure that Nancy will try and extract more out of me when we have an informal discussion.
I must say, fantastic workshop from an educational perspective. What struck me was the combination of seniority of the speakers, but also the honesty with which they expressed their opinions about state of the markets, state of India, and also what it takes to be successful in running an investment management firm.
Today's workshop was quite an interesting way for me to learn the practical applications of CFA level 3. I think through my career I only applied the level 1 and level 2 in practice, but this was the first where I've seen the practical side of applications, and it was quite amazing to see the different investment philosophy coming from the different CIOs like Sunil Senaria, Namit Malod, Amit Mantri.
This whole experience of interacting with some of India's leading CIOs, asset managers, in a completely unstructured environment where you can really approach them and ask them heart-to-heart questions on what they're thinking. It's huge learning, and it's also it's a privilege extended to members of the CFA family because we get to interact with the kind of quality of minds that exists in these rooms. So I think it's an absolute privilege and an honor to be here, and tremendous learning encapsulated in 2 days. Thank you.